واو ماشي. مساء الخير واحلى مسا عليكم. انا اسمي ربيع، انا مدرس لغه عربيه. انا بدرس الفصحى والعاميه بقالي 6 سنين. انا اتخرجت من كليه دار علوم، ودي كليه متخصصه في اللغه العربيه. انا بحب تدريس كتير جدا، وزائد بحب تعلم اللغات، لان حاجه انا يعني قضيت فيها وقت كتير جدا. اتعلمت انجليزي والماني وفرنساوي ولغات قديمه كمان. فيلا. Have you tried to learn Arabic so hard that you got frustrated because it seems overwhelming? Or have you been studying Arabic for years but you still unable to build a basic conversation? Or maybe you are doing quite well with your studies but you reached a plateau where you don't know how to progress further? So, my name is Rabia and I am an Arabic teacher. I hold a bachelor degree in Arabic language and literature from Cairo University, and I have been teaching Arabic for both Standard Arabic and Egyptian dialect for more than 6 years. I know what is it like to learn a language, as I have been learning languages myself in all my life, and I understand what difficulties a student might encounter at each stage of the learning process. I would like to help students who are passionate about learning Arabic by making it interesting and enjoyable, especially because I know how hard the Arabic language can be. I actually feel fulfilled when I see improvement and satisfaction in my students. I try to create a pleasant learning environment in order for the students to feel connected with the culture and the language, as well as to gain fluency and confidence. So, send me a message and let's meet and plan together a course that will meet your need and your interest. وتعالى التاني في الدور التحتاني. Come again. See?